Start recording. Okay, look at here. Now I am going to explain how to increase the marks of every student in moderation of class 12 for the CBSE result. Let us see here. It was very simple to moderate. Here there is a one example is there, economics subject for one subject. Okay, how to add the marks for every student. They gave the reference mean as 48.27. This is the reference mean. What is the meaning of reference mean? That is the best subject average of economics, okay, from the last 3 years. That is the best historical performance subject average mean, right? That is the 48.27. Okay, but the CBSE is giving the permissible, you can increase the subject average by 5. If you increase the subject average by 5, then 53.27 you will get. Based on that, if they calculate that, then now you can get the total marks of all students in economics. That is at 1225.21. Okay, the new subject average is 53.27. When you multiply with the 23 students, then new marks for all students you will get. Total marks of all students in economics, 23 students you will get here. Then here, what is raw mean? This is permissible. You can give the marks up to this. But the raw mean means what you entered already from the class 10, 11, 12. We entered the marks, and based on that, some percentage, 30% taken from the class 10, 30% from class 11, 40% from class 12. From that they calculated, and we entered the total marks for the students, right? From the class 10, 11, 12, they calculated this one. These are the raw marks. From that, if this raw marks is divided with the 23, then you will get the subject average as 48.26. This already you produced, but the CBSE is permitting, okay, 53.27, but you produced only 48.26. That means you can raise if you want your subject average. How much you can raise? Here it is permissible 5, but if you see the total school result, okay, let us see the total school result. You see here, this is the overall mean. You see here, overall mean. This is the total overall school mean is previously reference mean. Reference means highest performance, best performance in last 3 years is 53, but it is asking to moderate. Permissible is only +2. You can increase school overall average by only 2. If you increase the every subject average by 5, then overall average also increases by 5, but the overall average is must be increased by only 2. Then for that what you have to do? If you increase the subject average 5 in every subject, the overall also increase by 5, but overall should increase by only 2. That's why don't go for these calculation. Then I will give an idea then how to do, right? Let's see here. If you feel it is acceptable, then you can follow and try it. Let's see here. 48 reference mean, historical best performance. This is the historical performance result. Historical, the best result is the best subject average is the first 48.27 in the economics subject. Okay, what you have to do, right? This subject average you should not increase 5, because if you increase the 5 in every subject, the overall also increase by 5. That's why what you have to do, you have to increase only in every subject average based on the historical performance. You increase only 2. If you increase 2, what happens to the new subject average? Then it will be 48.27 plus 2 you can increase, it will become 50.27. Okay, and now what you have to do, this 50.27 is the new subject average. It is permissible. Actually 53 is the permissible, but don't go for the 5, because overall you should increase only 2. That's why every subject if you will increase by 2 subject average, then at that moment overall also increase by 2. Then this is the 50.27 is the permissible new average. Permissible is the 50.27. Okay, right? Then your subject average is only 48.26. Raw is raw. That means till now what you already you produced from that subject average 48.26. But now the CBSE is permitting, right? CBSE is permitting 5 in for certain subject, but oral is 2. Oral, how you will get 2? Then if you will add plus 2 subject average in every subject, then oral also increased by 2. For that, listen very carefully this point. What I did it here, the reference mean is the 48.27. I am not increased by 5, I increased by only 2. Right? The new subject average is this one, reference average. This you multiply with the 23 students. In this case, 5 multiplied the 50.27 is the CBSE permissible after adding 2 subject average, after increasing the 2 subject average. This you multiply with the number of students. Okay, when you multiply this one 50.27, let us see how much we will get. 50.27 into 23, if you will do, I am getting 1156.21. This many marks you can keep by combining all the students. Okay, your historical performance 48.27. Now 2% 2 subject average you can increase for each subject. Oral also increased by 2. For that I added the 2 for the economics. Then 50.27 is the new historical allowed, it is a permissible, and for this is the subject average, new subject average permissible, and for the 23 students if I calculated, this is the new one. Now what I have to do, till now what we entered the raw marks, that is the 1110, but the permissible is 1156. Then what you can do, now you can increase the marks. Okay, permissible is 1156, but you entered only 1110. Now you can increase some more marks, that is 1110 we can add it here. If we add the 1110, what you will get? लेट में जमा करेंगे, साइन करने हैं. Okay, look at here. The permissible is 1156. Permissible is 1156 marks. That is the total marks of all students. Subject average this one. You can multiply with the total number of students. You will get this one. This is the permissible. But you entered based on the 10th, 11th, 12th total marks of all students is only 1110. Then you subtract both of them. That is 1156.21 minus 1110. I got it as 46.21. That means you can add more 46 marks in the economics by combining the 23 students, because he has only 23 students. For the 23 students he can add the 46 marks. Don't go for the according to the plus 5. If you will do the moderation 5 by 5, then it is allowing the 115 marks, but we should not go for the 5. We should go for only 2, because overall should be increased by 2. Okay, then this is the 46.21. Next what you have to do, 46.21 how we can add for a students. Let's go for the one example of certain students. Let us see here. If we go for the one student at here, one student got 10th class 15% marks, and 11th class 11 marks, and 12th class 14 marks. By combining them he got as 40 marks. This is the total marks he obtained. Then maximum permissible limit for the variation of for one student it is given as 31, but here the total variation, right, is only 46. That means by combining 23 students, you can change only 46. These 46 equally you may distribute for all students, right? For each student, 46 is divided with the 23. Then you can add each student 2 marks. Okay, each student 2 marks, then your subject average will be reaches like this. But this 2 if you go for other example, it may be different, right? You have to add the 46 marks for the 23 students. Then 23 students, if you will add 46 marks, for each one you can add the 2 marks. Or otherwise, if you feel this student is somebody, if he is good, right, then you may increase the 3, and for other student you may increase 1, right? Average the total you may increase for one member 0, you may increase for member 1 member 2, or you may increase for all the members equally 2 2 2 2. Then total marks should be increased by only 46. Then after moderation, you can submit it. When you submit it for a particular subject, the reference mean is the 48.27. Here after moderation, total moderation mean, after moderation it will show the mean, it should be raised by only 2. It should show 50.27. if it shows 50.27, your moderation is correct. Then like this, in every subject we have to do the moderation. Then total average overall mean also increased by only 2. Then it will be very convenient and easy method to do the moderation, right? And for example, this 2 marks 1 mark, we got the 46 marks we should add in this example. But it is not compulsory to add equally, it is not compulsory to add randomly, right? Whatever that is depends upon the subject, teacher and student, right? And the next, let us see another example I will explain. For example, the subject average is already in this only. For example, already overall mean they gave us the 55, they gave overall mean, they gave us the 55, reference mean they gave us 55. You can add for by 2, right? Then 57 you will get the total. This 57 is multiplied with the 23 students. 55 is the reference mean. For example, if in some subject they gave, in for example civics, we can go in that he gave the 55, or we can go for the history, right? In history they gave the 55 subject average. You can increase by 2. 57 you will get 57 into 23, you can do 57 into 23, you will get 1311, you will get 1311. Okay, 1311 you can keep. For example, till now you kept only 1110. At the moment you subtract them, you can add the 200 marks nearly. Okay, if you will add the 200 marks for every student, you have to add the 200 marks. There are 23 students are there. 200 by 23, if you will you want to add each one, you may add the 10 marks or 8 marks you can add. Okay, each one based on their performance. Okay, like this is different for the different persons and different subjects according to their historical performance. Okay, and after completion of the subject moderation, for every subject you should submit. Then after that it will be displayed like this. For the oral moderation, you can go for the all subjects. Then at that it will show the oral moderation. The oral moderation, it will show that permissible oral moderation is only by 2 you can increase. Okay, then the oral permissible oral mean is 55. This should be matched after the moderation. After moderation, the mean should be after oral mean after moderation, it should be balanced with this. Okay, then after that if it is balances, right, oral mean after moderation, right, it should be balanced with the permissible mean, then your one is correct. And one more point you have to note, that please ensure that you do not exceed the above limits higher achievers. You should keep in a mind that 95 above, right? 95 above, 95 and 95 above. In the last year, how many members are there? 95% above. The same number of students should be there this year also. Okay, in the last historical performance, the best result in that the gave the CBSE gave that one, and in that which is the best result, in that CBSE provided the historical best result. In that how many students are there above 95? That many students should be there. Above 96, how many students are there? That many students are there. If above 95 nobody is there, then it should be 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, then after that you can go for the submission, and after checking the individually, if any moderation is required, you can also do the overall moderation after that, after the subject wise moderation. Okay, and after that final submission. Okay, the thing is that first we have to go for the subject moderation, right? For every subject we have to save it. Then after that we can go for the all subjects moderation. Okay, that is the overall moderation, and the overall moderation is allowed by only 2. Subject wise they gave 5, but you can increase subject wise also 2 only, then only it will accept. Okay, thank you to all. You follow the CBSE guidelines and read the guidelines properly. According to that you can follow. This is my opinion how to solve the problem and how to moderate easily. Okay.